Welcome to the research facility. All your behavioral data will be videotaped for further research. Please follow the instructions throughout the process.
Just so you know, during the experiment, if you get your head squashed by the door, the insurance company just can't care less about it. Now, little pup, let's test your observation abilities. Take a look around. Nice. Let me just open this cage for you.
Illegal intrusion detected. Releasing Terminator 3000. Terminator 3000 activated. Defense system now online.
Oh, Mad Cat is here. Run! Phew. Take some time to catch your breath. Next up, you need to make a jump to the right side. A little run-up will make you jump further.
Can you hear me now, Green Toast? I forgot, man. My computer auto updated itself the other day. The last like 2 days of me recording have not have audio.
See that cube thingy over there? Pick it up and bring it to the pressure sensor outlined in yellow. Oh, keep away from the glass case in the middle.
What the fuck? Wait, the cube? Oh, that cube. The portal cube? Yeah. Thanks for a
See
moment.
that lever thingy? Just pull it to close the door. Come on, give it a go.
I hate these kind of games, Green Toast. I don't know why these games are popular in the first place. I don't know who gets.
Now lift this white cube thingy and throw it across the gap.
Oh, fuck. Well, I mean, I've played some of these games that.
Attention to all security guards.
What the fuck is your problem?
Intrusion detected in the monitoring room.
What the fuck? Here, stand there.
Okay, now drag the lizard onto the pressure sensor.
Organism verification successful.
Oops, wrong way.
Wait, I'm not supposed to go this way?
Well, what you waiting for? Come on, throw some punches. Let's see what you got.
No thanks.
Now, little pup, climb that net over there and get to the next room.
Can I change the controls?
Attention to all security guards. Illegal intrusion detected in the power room.
I feel like run should be. Grab should be. LT.
You see that shovel? Just take it.
Damn it, what the fuck?
Attention to all security guards. Illegal intrusion detected in the monitoring room.
Oh, snap. A lizard duo this time. Time to prove your fighting skills.
But it's not even fighting, dude. It's just jack off. Oh, that's me? I went down.
Verification successful.
How do I get up?
Organism verification successful.
Ow! Did you see that?
Illegal intrusion detected. Releasing Terminator 6000. Terminator 6000 activated. Defense system now online.
Another mad cat. Move those little leggies and run for your life. Run faster. Faster.
The fuck am I supposed to run faster? Oh, come on. You fucking dick. I hate all this fucking hold this trigger, press that trigger to run.
Releasing Terminator 6000.
Yeah, I'm not gonna play this game. I'm just gonna finish the tutorial.
Terminator 6000 activated. Defense system now online.
okay, little pup. I guess your IQ is just fine. See that lever over there? Come on, give it a go.
I already did.
Pull it, then take a leap. I've got some dog cookies for you.
What am I doing now? Oh, take a shot at me? Take a shot at me! Woo! Now you dead. Now you dead, son. Oh, what the fuck? Dude, this game sucks. This game sucks, dude. This fucking game sucks. Fucking bitch, dude. Like, you can't even turn right to punch this guy, dude. Because of this shitty physics. Look at this shit, man. It's just an endless dance of stupidity. The stuff that gets passed off as games these days is annoying. I'm not even looking at the screen right now. I'm just rotating the stick. Okay, he's dead now. What the fuck is this? You piece of shit, really? The fuck was that? The fuck was that? Exactly. Just as Pseudo Shaman says, this game reminds him of Gangbang. Earn a 3-star tutorial rating on the tutorial. Well, I guess I should try to play Quick Match at least once, right? I was gonna play with Green Toast, but Green Toast's not online. What am I supposed to do with this? The fuck is this? Oh, let's play tight. Winter is coming. Oh, we just fight each other or what? Oh lord! Ooh, that water looks nice though. Green Toast, did you see earlier? Did you see earlier when I like hung myself? Golly, everybody's like super decked out. Oh shit, it's Nick H 630, dude. Look, it's Nick Henderson's playing this game. He's a shark. You saw what? What'd you see? What am I supposed to do? What the fuck? We just started, dude. We just started. My goal is to stay away from all these guys. Let me into the whoop. 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 How am I supposed to jump? Oh shit. How am I supposed to jump kick somebody? I'm okay. The fuck is this? You piece of shit. I'm an alligator. I'm totally fine, dude. I'm totally fine, dude. I'm a fucking alligator. Come on, come on. Bring it. Bring it. Wait, is it gonna go down or something? Oh shit. You piece of shit. I'm an alligator. I'm fine. The fuck? This is just some sort of retarded Smash Brothers, right? That's what this game's about. It's a retarded Smash Brothers. And the controls suck. That's what makes this game fun, is how stupid the controls are. Green Toast downloaded this game. It's only like $8, dude. I mean, 8 gigs. I could play this game with you. We could try to gang up on people. I'm matched with Trace. Oh, God. How do you jump kick? Oh look, this guy! Look, this guy is. This is the rabbit from what's it called, dude? This is the rabbit from what's it called? What the fuck? Let go of me! Let go of me! Hold me back! Hold me back! Hold me back! Hold me back! Why is this guy holding me back for? You see that rabbit? That's a rabbit from that Chinese game with the robot arm, dude. Look. God, he's gonna throw me in the water. I'm on team with Trace, right? Oh, he double KO! Did he eliminate both of us at the same time? This game sucks, dude. This game blows. Yeah, fish that forged in Shadow Torch. But who's throwing the fish? Oh, the two red ones are. Oh, he just took him out with him, dude. Because then the other guy wins. Oh, is he trying to get into the thing? People are throwing. Did he get eliminated? What the hell is going on, dude? I can't even tell. What the fuck is going on? Oh, there's one more round, I see. What? The fuck? I didn't know there's a rocket there, dude. I thought it was something you climb up. I was gonna climb up and do a swanton bomb off the top of it. This is boring. Did you really? God damn it, Green Toast. I was about to quit this game too. Are you getting on? Ow! Are you getting on now, Green Toast? I don't even know how this game works, dude. It's just... I don't like these stupid physics games. Do I leave the game? Swear to God, Green Toast, if you end up putting 30 hours into this game, I'm gonna be pissed off.
Just play a bit and then be done with it, I guess.
Well, how do I jump kick? I see people jump kicking.
Okay, where?
Do I just leave the game? Oh, here, look. Oh, I can roll. I keep knocking myself out. It's so easy to knock yourself out in this game.
Okay, so jump is Y and A is kick / jump.
Oh, A is kick? Oh, no.
Yeah. X is punch, A is kick / drop kick. B is headbutt / roll if you're running.
Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna go to the top. Fuck it. This is how I'm gonna dominate Green Toast. I'm gonna let them fight it out, and then when the...
Do you have to win 3 times in a, like, total?
No! What the fuck? You have to win 3 times as a team. So you know. Oh, fuck. I was trying to be up here first, dude.
It's funny because it's like, I think earlier in the match, like, your team would try to throw you off because I don't think they realize you're on the team.
Yeah, look, it's me and him on the top now.
I mean, from an outside perspective, it was easy as hell. But, yeah,
Look, I just hold on to him. I'm holding on to him, dude. I'm fucking holding on to him. If I'm going, you're going with me. You're going with me, bitch. You're fucking going with me. That's what you get, bitch. You shouldn't have tried to live. Oh, we're still alive. We're still alive. What the fuck is going on? This game's so stupid, dude. You just, like, die. Do I just quit? This thing's gonna take like 30 minutes, dude. I'm going.
What the rules are, huh?
The rules are. This is stupid. Look, I'm going to the top, man. I'm going top. I'm immediately going for a new strategy. Yeah, I know, and nobody's close to. Whoa! What the fuck? Game's so dumb.
Physics can be wonky, man.
Are you playing it right now?
No, I'm watching you.
What the fuck?
You got lost so far.
What the fuck? They don't want me up here or something. That's why they keep throwing me off or something. It's you and me, Marshall. One-on-one. You want to go one-on-one with the great one?
Have you been like air pumping and blasting from the
What
air?
the fuck? Oh, gone. The thing is, it looks like I suck at this game, but it's because you don't even know how this game works, dude. No, they both went down. Like, who's throwing the fish? Like, am I allowed to? Oh, I'm allowed to throw a bomb or something. Here. Oh, I threw a bomb all the way over there. What the fuck? Oh, there's a thing here. I got you. People are throwing fish at them. Oh my god. What the fuck? This guy just knocked me. What the fuck? This guy one punch KO'd me. He sucker punched me, dude. I wasn't even ready. I wasn't even fucking ready, dude. I think because I'm a green alligator, it makes me easier to see. Whereas if I was like a gray bunny. These fuckers. Here, Trace, come. Come on, Trace, I'll help you. No! Huh? You wanna go? You wanna go? You wanna go? Oh fuck, I just jumped right into this motherfucker. I just jumped into this motherfucking rocket. Oh, that's what it is. It's the rockets. Here, I'll just grab this guy, look. Wah! Did I get an elimination? No, that wasn't my team. I'm grabbing this guy by the nose hole. I told you, man, if I go down, y'all go down with me. No! See, told you! Told you! Don't fuck with me. Oh! Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. I'm holding on. I'm holding on. You shouldn't have tried to throw me off, because now we both going down, bitch. I'm an alligator. I can hold my breath, dude. I'm fine.
I think I mean more than this low.
Look, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win because both these guys got swept away, dude. Both of them got swept away. Oh! This game's so stupid, dude.
Wait, how are you still alive?
I was holding on to the rudder of the fucking thing, dude.
And that doesn't count as you drowning?
No, I've told you I'm an alligator, dude. I can swim underwater. You piece of shit. Oh shit! Oh shit! That's why this game borked, man. I get the appeal of this game, but just it's people who want this like non-real. Wait, this is like
well,
what?
We were better with like more people you know.
No. Ah! Sorry, I gotta exit out. I want to exit out, but I don't want to loot. You piece of shit! Ah! Ha, ha! That's what you get. That's what you get, bitch.
They're going pretty long, huh? But not just...
Yeah, because somebody has to win 3 fucking rounds. You bitch, get off me, you bitch. You bitch. See, that's why I don't fuck with the alligator, dude. Shit. I pushed him. Oh, he's grabbing me by the head. It's just me.
Apparently, the more stamina I have, the more damage you deal. So if you're constantly sprinting around, you'll deal. When you finally go for attack, you'll have less damage.
I don't even know what's going on now. Is the red guy won by just standing up there and not having to fight anybody.
Riveting.
Yeah, I know, right? Stupid stuff. So you blue one. Okay, great. Now da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na. Oh, you bitch. Oh, that's cool. My friend was holding me up for the picture. Look at that. My friend,
Okay,
my,
so
my friend-
Y and an A do a jump. Okay.
my friend was holding me up so I could get in the picture correctly. What a buddy. What a pal. I have like bedhead, dude. Alright, invite friends. Where are you? How come you're not on my friends thing?
You have to add to it because it's. I guess it supports crossplay or something.
So how do I add? From here, invite from games. Invite to game. I tried it.
Okay.
Hey,
Oh,
Shaman, you want in?
thing.
God damn it. All right.
Quitting the game now will result in a quick match ban. Do you want to continue it? Oh, you gotta be shitting me. So I have to play this entire match before I can just.
That's yeah. Okay.
Alright.
That's why I did.
Yeah.
No, don't get a negative thing.
Fuck it. Yeah.
D-
Fuck
don't-
it.
Don't get a negative thing. That's why I didn't quit out earlier, because I figured it was like that.